about sodium fluoride and calcium fluoride, which is healthy for you. So if you have tap water, let's say this tap water here, which is from here, and that has sodium fluoride in it, I can guarantee you. I have nothing to sell, but I have one thing to sell. This is my own brand, Ionic Minerals. This is a liquid from biotite. This is from volcanic rocks from Mount Fuji in Japan that has all the elements that is replenish the earth. So with the partner, what we do is we convert this rock into a liquid in ionic size minerals, which is the minerals that is meant for us. Because when the plant absorbs the colloidal minerals, which is the minerals that they sell in the store, you get heavy metal poisoning, by the way, because colloidal minerals is 10,000 times bigger than the size you're supposed to have. Ionic size minerals, iron, situation, remember, explanation, everything is about iron. To give you an idea of what the size of an iron is, take a hair, look at it, the diameter of a hair, imagine 500,000 units of angstrom on top of each other. That's how small an iron is. That's the size of a water molecule. Really, really, really small. And that's the size that the cell would absorb. If it's bigger than that, the cell will not absorb it. And the pharmaceutical know that. That's why they do chemicals and drugs in the size of iron, so they make it up, so the cell will get confused and absorb it. So what you do is you take 1 teaspoon in 1 gallon and you put it into this water, and the biotite, also known as ionic boron, will convert the sodium fluoride into calcium fluoride. How? By changing the polarity of it. Positively charged to negatively charged. Now you have negatively charged water. Yeah, you can drink. See the water turning yellow? Those are all the chemicals that are starting to become visible. They're very tricky, they make it invisible so you don't see them. Another way to purify your water is you create a vortex in your container, just like that. When the water is in contact with the golden ratio, you see the cone, it reaches the bottom of the cone, which is called the moment of inertia, which is the 0-point energy. That's when the water restructures itself to its natural state, or hexagonal shape structure. You can do that in your mouth too. You drink the water and you smoosh it in your mouth. You create those vortices, just like when the water falls down from mountain springs, from one rock to another, creates all those turbulences within the water. When the wave crashes into the shore, the wave is actually creating this golden ratio, the Fibonacci sequence. That is a ratio, a mathematical order from the wise design, from the cosmic energy. So you put that into your body recognizes it as a vital substance and convert it into another vital substance that is beneficial for you, for your health.